All right, no shade to all you other homeowners out there, but we're making the call. This listing is easily the most manicured, the most well looked after home we have ever seen, like ever.
Not only is it well manicured, Scotty, it is an estate-style Horseshoe Valley paradise that is large enough for the whole family.
Stay tuned, we got all that and more on today's episode. All right, Chad, make sure you grab your hiking shoes, your mountain bike, your helmet, your golf clubs, your skis, your snowboard, and of course, the Kiwis for the eyes, because we're in Horseshoe Valley today and it's all about relaxation and recreation.
Like I said earlier, an outdoor paradise. Now let's talk about all the things that I'm better at than Scotty right now. Golfing, you can walk there. Pickleball, you can walk there. Skiing, it's just down the road. Veta Spa, it's just a couple-minute walk as well. Not to mention, Highway 400 is only a 10-minute drive from here.
Okay, so we're sold on the location and the recreation aspect of Horseshoe Valley, but let's talk about this incredible home that you see in behind us here. This is a very rare offering in Horseshoe Valley. We have an estate style bungalow that is manicured to a T. We're talking over 4,400 square feet of finished top to bottom here. And again, the details here are on point, from the stone driveway that leads you up to that incredible oversized 3-car garage, the beautiful stone exterior, and these gardens and grass here are easily the nice in the neighborhood. And honestly, I'd challenge you, nicer than just about anywhere else. This home packs a punch and has surprises around every corner. Let's go inside and have a closer look.
Welcome inside, guys. As soon as you walk in this door, you're gonna love this exaggerated window packages set off by the 14-foot vaulted ceilings up here. Not to mention, we have 10-foot ceilings all the way around. Now, my favorite part about this, though, is the layout. You have the primary wing on one side of the house and 2 other bedrooms on the other side of the house. Not to mention, you still have a den over here.
Now you can tell Chad is excited about this one, and it's for good reason. Each and every room in this home is generous in size, as we're flowing over nearly 2,300 square feet. And this kitchen right here is a lot of the wow factor you're gonna take in. We've got a tremendous amount of granite countertops, from the countertop right up into the backsplash. It is such a clean and classy look. And then we're on to the beautiful custom cabinetry as we roll through. You've got crown molding throughout the entire home. And then you've got the beautiful integrated Sub-Zero refrigerator, and of course the cafe gas range in behind me here as well. But then, speaking to this open concept layout, it flows beautifully one side over to the great room you saw with Chad, and then here into the formal dining room. Now, the beautiful part of it is it is joined by this beautiful 2-sided gas fireplace and the marble feature wall in behind it, talking about a wow factor when you're entertaining.
Now, we're in the primary wing right now, and it does not disappoint. From the moment you wake up, you're gonna look at your perfectly manicured backyard, a really nice sized bathroom, not to mention his or her closets with those 10-foot ceilings.
Welcome down to the lower level, and let me tell you, this one has every feature you could possibly imagine. Of course, we've got the open concept feel, and I know you're looking for the games room area, maybe the kitchenette bar section, or the high top area where you can play poker with the kids and or the friends. That all overflows right into this impressive theater area. Now, I know you're asking, what more could you possibly want in a lower level? Well, let me tell you, this one packs a lot more. Let's talk about things you don't see very often. We've got an incredible inside entry right up into that beautiful oversized 3-car garage. So whether you're bringing sporting goods up and down into the storage area, or perhaps you want to treat this as an in-law suite, this is an ideal layout to do that. But they've also added 10-foot ceilings in this lower level. So although we have a tremendous amount of square footage, it feels even larger than you can imagine with these soaring ceiling heights. That is such a rarity. Now, speaking of rarities, let's talk about the amount of bedrooms down here. We have not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 additional bedrooms in this this lower level. And with that, that gives you a ton of possibilities. Right now they have an office, a bedroom, they've got a crafting area and a home gym. Then there's additional storage on top of that. So it really is up to you. The possibilities are endless. Maybe you've got 8 kids, this is the house you want to put them in.
Now to round out this basement, there's a couple more things we need to talk about. One is a really nice size 3-piece bathroom, and number 2 is the utility room. We're talking about perfectly manicured, and this doesn't disappoint. It has a brand new boiler system. Now what does that mean to you? That means a heated floor throughout this whole basement. You are never gonna need slippers down here.
Chatter, from one entertainer to another, check out this deck. Can't you just see the family up there relaxing and barbecuing?
It's a real vibe. One thing I'm getting right now though, this gazebo behind us is screened in, so glasses of wine at night, coffee in the morning, no bugs.
Cocktail hour a breeze, but let's talk about the lot that this home is situated on. We are talking about 100 feet of frontage by 165 feet of depth, and in behind that you do not have neighbors right there. So it is all the privacy and all of the tranquility that you're looking for in the Horseshoe Highlands. Now, we'd be remiss if we didn't talk about the unbelievable landscape here. Of course the gardens are beautiful and we'll get to that, but for me it's about all the little details, all the stone edge work around here. You've got a stone pathway beside the home that leads right from your 4th garage off the back into your backyard. Such a rare feature, especially for this style of home. You're gonna absolutely love the functionality of that aspect. And again, the grass, the edging of the gardens, the stonework, it is all perfection.
I'm loving the maturity though. The Horseshoe Valley to maturity of this property does not happen by mistake, and money can't really replace this. From the perennials to the perfectly manicured lawn to the edging, this is a beautiful mature property that just doesn't come every day.
Right down to the irrigation system that looks after most of it for you. Now we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Horseshoe Valley. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.